Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you that how you can connect your Twitch account to your Rockstar social club. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first step is to go to your browser and here type in Rockstar social club. Here you can see the first link is socialclub.rockstargames.com. So just click on this link and it will take you to the social club. So just wait for it. And if you don't have an account for your social club, you can always click on that sign up button and you will be able to create a new account. Otherwise, you can just click on this sign in button and you can just sign into your account. As you can see that I am already signed into my account. This is the interface you will see once you have created and signed into your account. Now on the top right corner, you will be able to see your avatar. You can just click on this avatar and the third last option is settings. That's where you want to go. So just click on this settings button and just wait for it to load. Here you can see the multiple settings you can change like profile, privacy, linked accounts, avatar, email, and two-step verification. So let's just click on this linked account buttons to see what accounts are linked to your Rockstar Social Club and scroll down. Here you can see you can link Twitch that you want to link. So just click on this link account button on Twitch and you will be able to link your Twitch account to your Rockstar Social Club. Now here you can see you have to enter your username and password that you are using to log into your Twitch account. Once you enter that, just click on this login button and your account will be logged in and linked to Rockstar Social Club. Now note that if you don't already have a Twitch account, you can just click on this sign up button and fill out this form and then click on this sign up button and your account for Twitch will be created that will be linked to Rockstar Social Club. So that's how simple it is to link your Twitch account to Rockstar Social Club. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.